Hey guys, it's Morgan, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my messy, effortless, sexy waves using my favorite products from OUAI. So first off, I start with the OUAI Shampoo and Conditioner, the Repair Series. It's amazing for my bleached ends. It keeps it really strong, really healthy. Next up, I'm going to prep my hair with the OUAI Wave Spray. So I'm just going to go from roots to ends, all around, giving some body. The smell is absolutely to die for. So I'm just going to rough dry my hair. Next, I use the OUAI Memory Mist. I'm just going to add some heat protection. It's also going to keep my style locked in place all day long. I'm just going to section my hair. I always like to start with the piece around my ear, and I like to curl it inwards first. I always alternate the direction that I'm curling. So if I just went out with my hair, the next section I take, I'm gonna go in. So next I'm gonna get a little volume with the Dry Shampoo Foam, which is an amazing new product. So I'm just gonna take a little bit in my hands, and we're gonna go at the root, like so. For my girls with the fringe, it's always nice too, just to do a little bit at the front. Like so. All right, so once you feel like you've deposited the product on your hair, you're gonna go in and you're gonna rub until all of it has dissolved and you can't see the product anymore. So now I'm gonna use one of my all-time favorite products. This is the Rose Hair and Body Oil. And I love this stuff because right when I'm done styling, I like to put a little bit in my hands and just go over the end. So we're not undoing all the curling and work we just did. We're just gonna add a nice finish on the ends. I'm gonna use the OUAI Anti-Frizz Sheet. This product is gonna quickly tame any frizz you might have, which is great, especially in the winter. So you're gonna take your sheet, just lightly go over any flyaways or any little areas you wanna tame. So there you have my effortless OUAI waves.